Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am 39 weeks and I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I was up all night. I had went to sleep around like 11. Woke up, it was like 1 a.m. and I had cramping. I was just cramping. And I couldn't sleep. I literally couldn't sleep, so I ended up getting up. My stomach was upset. I went to the bathroom and then I got in the bath and I stayed in there for a little while. And then I got up, I went downstairs and got some fruit to snack on and some water. And I just laid there literally. I laid there until like 7 a.m. I just laid there. Try not to make too much noise because Lindell was asleep. And I didn't want to turn on the TV and lights and all that. So I just kind of chilled in the bed and I couldn't sleep. And then around like 12 o'clock, around lunchtime, I took a nap. And I needed it. I needed it. But yeah, the cramping isn't really there anymore. I'm getting it here and there, but it's not like it was last night. I feel like it was consistent last night, but it was just like period cramps. It wasn't anything to be concerned about. So yeah, that just happened all night. So that's what happened. I feel all right now. I'm just really tired. Me and Lindell are supposed to have a photo shoot today. So I'm about to get myself ready for that. I'm really exhausted. I really don't feel like doing anything, but I'm gonna get out and go do that and maybe take a walk, and we'll see. We will see when he comes already. Hey guys, we have Mr. Grumpy today. He don't want to go take pictures, but we want to take some pictures. But we're going to take some pictures. Yeah. Don't wave at them. They wasn't waving at you.
Yes, he did, bro.
He did? Yeah, y'all, we're going to take pictures. And Lindell's not a happy camper. We're going left. I mean right. Lindell, stop! Y'all, he's crazy. He said it's the worst day ever. He hates pictures. But it's literally going to be quick. We're just taking maternity pictures. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And yeah, Lindell, for real. Can't even see your black ass. Yeah, you look nice.
What?
You're funny. This is nice, Lindell.
This is so random. So my friend posted like a photo of her at some place like this. I was like, where is that? Send it to me now.
Uh-huh.
And then I came out with all like a ton of kids, 6 kids.
Can you hold this and record like
See,
that?
all of this was not underwater. It was so funny.
Yeah,
we
could just sit something up. We could just sit it up to you.
But there might be some spots of land over there.
Okay.
I do want to walk on this side so that we don't have a bridge in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's fine. No, you go first.
It's deep?
It'll get a little deeper up here. It wasn't too bad. It's a lot higher.
Oh, this is cold. You got it?
Yeah. Watch your step. Come on.
Yeah, we're done. Look at the sun. Looks so nice. That water was so cold. We had a successful shoot. I can't wait to share the pictures with you guys. Mama is ready for this baby now. He can come on. We got a little maternity shoot. So we ready to go. We ready to go. and Lindell was cooperating. So ignore his little behavior in the car because he just be acting. He just be acting. He just be acting weird. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and your girl is still pregnant. Still pregnant. There has been really no change. I'll get cramps here and there and then they'll just go away. My due date is on Sunday. It's crazy because tomorrow is my brother's birthday and Friday is Lindell's sister's birthday. So is he gonna have his own birthday or is he gonna share it with someone? Let's see. Let's freaking see. I have been extremely tired. Extremely tired. So I've been literally needing long naps. Like I've been taking like an hour and a half, 2 hour naps as of late. I've been really tired. I can't stay up all day anymore. But I've been going on walks with Lindell. I went on a walk yesterday, like a little over a mile. And I did have to take a break because it just felt like a lot of weight. There's a lot of weight, okay? A lot of weight. But the walk was good. I woke up in the middle of the night. I'm sore when I get up. Like my pelvic area is really sore. So it's hard getting up in the middle of the night. I literally struggle. But right now, me and Lindell actually went to Red Lobster the other day, and he was like, oh my god, he said it was so good. The Alfredo, we had Alfredo, the Cajun Alfredo, and he said it was so good. So he wants it again today, so I'm about to do that. About to go get us some Alfredo. I can't wait for the biscuits. I think I'm gonna get extra ones. We'll see. I love their freaking biscuits. Love them. And I have the air fryer, so we put them in the air fryer yesterday or the other day to rewarm them. Tastes like we just got them from the restaurant. I kid you not. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Go get us some Alfredo from Red Lobster. But yeah, y'all, I'm hoping that the baby comes before the 4th. Like I said, my due date's on July 3rd. So hope he comes before then. But we will see. We will see. His eviction notice is coming. It's coming. It's time to get up. Get up out. Okay? I guess Ziggy doesn't want me to leave. Get your freaking toes out of here. Ziggy, you don't want me to leave or something? No, I was just about to start my car. And Ziggy was right beside the door. And I thought I left the door open. And I'm like, Ziggy. But then I looked back and Lindell's there. He plays too much. But I think Ziggy thinks he's coming with me. What's up, cuz? What's up, cuz? What are we doing? You want another break? He just does what he wants to do. Don't flick my camera off. That's why he can't see you, black bastard.
Your son's gonna be black.
Nuh-uh. He's gonna be my color.
Why is he gonna be your color?
Lindell, you're not even that dark.
So?
And look at my color. He's gonna be like in between, I feel. Think he'll be in between? Well, I don't know, because freaking Mari, she's dark, and her parents are not dark. You think?
I need you to just go to Walmart real quick.
For what?
And pick me up some leader.
Some what?
Leader.
What is leader?
Fishing line.
No, I can't.
Okay.
I don't know how to do that. Why can't we go after you're done?
Okay.
Why can't I just drive? Why can't I wait for you to get off and I just drive to Walmart and Red Lobster?
Oh man, I don't want to do all that when I get off.
Y'all, one thing people are so nice here. The little kid was just like waving at me. But y'all, one thing I'd be a little, no, the reason why I don't like going in Walmart is because it's just too much at this point. Like, it's just too much. Like, walking like long distances with this freaking baby weighing as much as he weighs now, it's just like a freaking struggle. Like, it's a struggle because like I hope y'all can hear me. I don't know what's rumbling in here, but it's just like a struggle. Like, I be just so tired, and I be like laying on, I have to like lay on the cart, the shopping cart. I have to like lean on it when I'm walking because it's just like too much, especially when I have to go like all the way in the back of the store. So that's why I was complaining. I told Lindell, can we just go together? Even though it's gonna be the same thing if he's there or not. I just don't be wanting to go. You know, one thing I'm about to dread is getting gas. I need to get gas, and you know how gas is. I don't even gotta say it. I don't even have to say it. You'll run up a bag getting freaking gas. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. And I pray that freaking, besides the gas, I pray that I'm able to breastfeed. Like, until I don't want to anymore, because this formula shortage ain't it. And I freaking feel bad for the people who are struggling with it, because I can't imagine, and I don't want to imagine. I don't want to. Wendell got me in Dick's, looking for it. Say hey.
No.
He got me in Dick's looking for some fishing stuff, and they don't have it. And every time he goes to the store, they never have what he's looking for fishing. Like, never. They don't have it in Walmart. They don't have nothing here. When you're back at home, do you find a lot of stuff?
I go straight to the Dick's where I get everything I need.
And you'd think they have it here with all these country folks fishing.
They don't got shit, bro. Nah, bro. Dick's is horrible, bro. They don't have nothing. I couldn't even get a ride, bro. I couldn't even get a ride. I had to get a ride from Walmart.
He's so mad. I got his card though, so.
Rides in there, bro. All the rides were like, bro, what kind of fucking Dick's is this for old people, bro?
He's so mad. You know, since I got your card and stuff, I could buy something.
Yeah, bro, get out.
Get out. There is some nice Nike stuff, babe. I might get some.
I close my car right now, baby. All I got the hat.
You'll close it?
All I gotta do is disable my car.
Wow. You'll do that to me?
Yeah.
I love this color. I love this color a lot. I can't wait to not be pregnant and get me some stuff. I love freaking sports bras, especially Nike ones. I just like their sets. Their sets be nice. I'm not gonna get a hoodie. I'm not gonna get a hoodie. But this stuff really be nice. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna get anything though. I'll pass for now. Huh?
Alright, bro.
What's bad vibes?
No heater line, bro.
Y'all, I love their shorts like this. I have like a pair of, I think I have a pair of like one pair of Nike ones and one pair of Adidas. But I love shorts like this. They're so comfy. I can't wait to go on a shopping spree. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's almost Friday. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're about to go fishing. We are about to go fishing. And I'm going to make me a waffle really quick because I am hungry. Lindell doesn't want anything, but that's on him. I'm making me a waffle. I'm so excited to be outside, y'all. I haven't been really outside. I just want to be on the water and just relaxing. That's what I want to do, and that's what we're doing today, and I'm very excited about it. My last couple days to relax. So yes, I am excited. It's currently like 9:30, and we are up and at it and ready. We are ready. I wanted to make some sandwiches to take, but we don't got no bread. Yeah, we don't have no bread. I just used the last of the bread. I don't know. I'm just sitting here thinking. But yes, I'm about to make a waffle, y'all. Wanted to come back and update you. Still no baby, no contractions, nothing. None of that. None of that is happening. So we're still at square one. Y'all, I just made a perfect waffle. I love waffles. I love them so much.
You gonna poke a hole in a boat, goddamn.
My stomach's in the way.
Come on, it's moving. What the fuck was that?
I'm going to labor.
Ah, yeah, you need to chill, bro.
Yo, we ain't caught nothing yet.
Bro, all you gotta do is
We ain't caught nothing yet, bro. And it's hot out here. My hair looks a mess. How? Are you serious? Whatever, I don't care. But it's so nice out here. Oh my god, look at this bug. Oh, I'm scared. It's a firefly. But yeah, it's really nice. I'm sweating. Like literally sweating.
I don't think you put that whole 35 in your cart when I gave you that 35. Did you, for real?
Yeah.
I mean,
Why wouldn't I?
Because 30 bought it above half.
When did I put the 35 in, Lindell?
I don't know.
It's been a grip.
Yeah, I mean, but you put it in, and then when you came back to the house and I took the car, it was like at half. Like,
I obviously went places.
nigga.
Gas don't burn on air. Wait, is that how you say it?
I don't know.
Hey y'all, we just got back from our appointment. Still no freaking baby. I feel how I look. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so freaking tired. I'm so tired. I'm tired of the gas prices. I'm just tired. I'm just tired, y'all. We're about to go to Waffle House, of course, because y'all know that's a ritual after going to our appointment. But we got the appointment went good. She said that the baby is like, we're back to back, so we want to get him turned so that I don't have a lot of back labor. So I'm gonna do some I can't talk. I'm gonna do some exercises today to kind of spin him. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. Probably not go on a walk because Lindell works late, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. Continue to drink my red raspberry leaf tea, and hopefully he comes this weekend. Hopefully. I do not want to be weeks past due. I don't. He's due Sunday, so he can come today, tomorrow, or Sunday, and I'll be cool with that. I hope he does not come on the 4th of July. We got all this food to cook, y'all, and I hope he doesn't come on the 4th. Either before the 4th or he can come after the 4th, I guess. But yeah, got Pops over here. Y'all, we came all the way like 15 minutes away, and there was like a gas, like we looked to see what the gas prices were to go to the cheapest gas station, and I'm like, no, let's not turn around because there's no sense in backtracking. So we came all the way by our house, got gas, then we're like, let's go to the Waffle House. Came all the way back where we could have got the gas the first place. Annoying. So annoying. But yeah, I'm just coming to update you guys. Obviously, this isn't gonna be the labor and delivery vlog. We'll see when this man wants to make his arrival. Hey guys. So I lost some more of my mucus plug a little bit ago, like after my appointment. I'm not gonna say a little bit, I lost a lot compared to last time. There was just a little bit once I wiped, but this time, a lot. So could this be the start of labor? I don't know. I'm still not having any contractions or anything, but I lost a little bit earlier, and I went to the bathroom like a couple times, and I seen a little bit every time I wiped. So maybe this is the start of labor. We will see. Like I said, I feel fine. No change at all. I just got out the bath. Feel like I need to take a bath every day. I need to do some exercises, like I said earlier, to turn the baby. So I'm gonna do them, get on the exercise ball for a little while, and just see, you know, if that helps. I know I have an appointment scheduled next week. They said after, because I'm 40 weeks on Sunday, and they said after the next appointment, if I'm still pregnant, after my next appointment, they'll want to schedule me an ultrasound just to check on the baby, check to see if everything's still okay. So we'll see. Hopefully, I don't want to go a week past my due date. That's not what I'm into. I don't want to do that. I'm patient, but I am ready to meet my baby. Like I said, this pregnancy has been smooth. I'm still okay. So I'm not in a super rush, but I would like for my pregnancy not to go past my due date. So we'll see. We will see what happens. I guess tonight we'll see what happens through the night and tomorrow, in the weekend. So we will see. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. The next one will be 40 weeks or labor and delivery. We will see. I'm so like nervous, excited, like I'm a bunch of emotions. Like I just sit here and like stare and just think like this is really about to, it's really about to get real. It's gonna get real any day now. It's gonna get real. But yes, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to experience this and share it with you guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video.